I wanted to ask you something. Can you talk about the initiative? Like I got to see a few of your videos,
Mhm.
and it was like pretty good insight, like how you think and your perspective
Mhm.
about the animation industry in India is,
Yeah.
and what do you think how the industry is going and where it will be? So can you
It will
just
be it will be somewhere in a better position if the things start to change gradually, right? So why am I doing this? My mission of doing this is to educate the students in the right way. I really want that they should know that how the things work in the studio. It's not what you are learning. If your learning does not have an inclination to what you will do next, then it does not make sense. For even if you are doing spending 3 years, so it's like banging your head on some place where there is no door, right? You should bang your head on the door so that the door opens at least, right? That is the problem, and I'm seeing that continuously. So I faced this around when you started. Almost after that, I started in 2012 2013. So 1 year I did not get any job. I was
no?
blank. And when I got into the industry, I was like begging for a job, literally, that I want a job, I want a job. Nobody was ready. And then I started as a layout artist. And when I gave the test, I did not know what is a reference editor. So that was a breakthrough moment, and I realized one day when I become someone good, not the best, but at least if I do something, if I learn things, I will give back and I will educate the people. That was the moment I decided, but I did not know that when I will start, how I will start, what will be the timing. That all happened now suddenly, but that time I had this idea of educating students, and now I'm doing that, and I'm really happy to do that. Because what I feel is there are a lot of people who are there in the industry who are working, and industry needs more people who have a better understanding. And it's really difficult for industry to have those good animators, especially at the beginning as a fresher. It's very difficult for them to find those people having the right mentality, having the right approach, process, everything, right? So I am preparing them so that the studios don't need to even train them. They just need to show them the location of the files and everything, and they can immediately start working from the day one, as we do as an experienced person. Anyways, they will learn. But for industry, it will be a good sign that they don't need to uh, hire somebody or waste their time on the people who are coming in. So that's my approach, and that is my why behind starting this. And I'm doing these shows for a reason that this shows a direct insight from the industry, right? If I'm talking, people might not believe, and it happens, right? It's a human psychology. You
Yeah,
don't believe when something starts up. That's why it's difficult to have a startup. And I realized this, that this is why startups fail, because people don't believe in you when you start something new. And when you become a brand, then people start believing you. But to reach there, it's way long way, and it's really difficult to get there. But as you said, you have been persistent. That's the way I'm looking for, that I'll be persistent in doing these things and educating people by my mentorship, through the videos, through the shows, and people like you who are helping me for coming here and sharing your screen. So thank you so much. I really thank you, Pranav, for coming here and sharing your screen, sharing your time, right? My deepest gratitude towards you. Thank you so much for coming here. So at the
sure,
end of
man.
the
My
show,
pleasure.